Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin, North Fort Light, Wisconsin, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of strong thunderstorms continues offshore of Sheboygan County and inland across Sheboygan, Washington, and Ozaukee counties. The storms will continue east around 35 knots. Hazard, northwest wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms with gusty winds will continue over western half of Lake Michigan through about 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. This is